Today I'm going to show you how to make a Waldorf window star. Normally you'd want to use kite paper for this, which is kind of like waxed tissue paper, but tissue paper is easier to get a hold of and cheaper. So I will be showing you with tissue paper. This one was made with 7.5 by 7.5 inch squares. Start, you're going to need a piece of paper, which you will fold in half. Open, then fold in half again. So you get an X or cross. Then you are going to want to fold in the corners. And the nicer you make your folds, the better it will show up in the window. Like from this corner to this corner, like this. You'll be making a kite shape. So pull one corner up and then into the center. So you'll end up with something that looks like this. Once you have them all, you're going to want to glue them on the side that doesn't have pieces sticking out, like this. You'll glue this corner to the center line, like that. And you'll keep doing that. I'm switching over. This one I made with 3.5 by 3.5 inch squares. And I'm just using a glue stick. It dries clear and doesn't leave moisture marks like regular glue would use. So you'll want to use a glue stick for this project. I've really found that this Elmer's Extreme works really nice. Now when you get to the last piece like this, untuck the other side. Get a little glue on there. And then just glue it down. And that is how you make your window star. Thank you. Have a good day and shine on.